everyone, welcome back to my channel RM Beauty. আশা ৰাখিছো আপোনালোক সকলোৱে ভালে আছে আৰু আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিব লৈছো অসম লোকসেৱা আয়োগ Assam Public Service Commissioner কেইটামান latest update আৰু প্ৰথম আপডেট হৈছে regarding syllabus for recruitment to the post of scientific officer for Directorate of Forensic Science Guwahati. Division কেইটা তেওঁলোকে দি দিছে drugs and narcotics, biology, toxicology division. Next is a syllabus is a scientific officer for regional forensic science laboratories at Silchar, Bongaigaon, Tezpur and Dibrugarh respectively. Our division is instrumentation, drugs and narcotics and biology division. Our latest update is regarding syllabus for recruitment to the post of junior engineer civil under the joint cadre of Public Works Roads Department and Public Works Building and NS Department. Tato syllabus is our key syllabus is Paper 1 Civil Engineering Diploma Course Standard MCQ type takibo 2 ghonta homoy 100 marks. Subject eta dirise ki subject takibo construction materials, transportation engineering, engineering surveying, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, estimation and valuation, construction management, water resource engineering, sanitary engineering, advanced building construction and earthquake engineering, civil engineering, drawing, structural mechanics, hydraulics, building materials and construction, structural design and detailing, flood control and soil conservation. Our syllabus 2 part paper 2 dirise teoloke total marks 100 takibo homoy 2 ghonta takibo current affairs takibo India aru Assam, Indian history and national movement, Assam history, geography India and Assam, Indian polity and constitution, sports, books, author and important person of Assam, economy of India and Assam, environment of Assam, general mental ability, literature, culture and festivals of Assam and Northeast, or English grammar. Our A2S syllabus. Jodi video to apnaloke informative boli bhabise detail eta like kori dibo, channel to subscribe koribo naparibo logote video to share koribo napaharibo. Aziloi ahu, bye bye, take care, Jai Hind.